So good day everyone. This video is about Android application development. So I will be demonstrating how to design in Android Studio based on what I've learned during of the development of my last project application. So in this video, we are going to create a simple login screen. So the login screen will have username, password, and also the social login like Google, Facebook, Instagram, or anything nga ganahan mo i-add. And then, so let's get started with a new Android Studio project. So, new project, and then select empty views activity. Then next, then ani, kamo ni bahala kung say name. Then, of course, the language kay Java ang gamiton. And then, sa minimum SDK is, we will use Android 10 na lang. So, click finish. So, we have two files. The main activity Java and activity main XML where we will design the UI. So, let's go to activity main XML. Gaload pa siya. You can split the eye. So, click split over here so that we can see the code. And of course, hello world ang makita first kay wala ka matagasugod og code. So, yes. So, ga-create ko last night og login screen. So, muna lang patuwang kapiyon kay aron dili hassle mag-type. So, here, explain lang nako ani. At least, kibaw na mo unsaon pag gama og new project. So, this is our main activity main XML where anita mag design, of course. So, first is ani nga code is ani na itabo imuhang background, ani ka mag-design sa imong background. So, ako ang giset ang background og color pink kay of course I love pink. And then pero pwede ni siya nimo ma-change through this. I-click na siya nimo then imo ra i-customize whatever we want. Here. Look, ma-change ang iyahang color of course. So, yes. So, ang iyahang padding age is maka ano na po ninyo ni. Pwede na po ninyo na i-customize. Like 32 pero look, nimubo siya pero i-16 DP na na to. So here, the Android card view widget, card view, that card view. So ani na hitabo. So ani siya, ani kaga design sa imong login. Kani. So, then card view is to display the login form in a card style container. So 0DP means it will be constrained or constrained layout kay mo yung best practice. So after is the inner, what we call this, inner linear layout. So it organized child view vertically like kani title, fields, and ihang button, which is kani sila. Oh my god, yes, kana. So, and kaning text color is pwede pod nimo ni siya i-customize. O kung saan na po nimo ganahan lantawang welcome. Yes, you can choose whatever you want. And then sa background DI, by the way, you can call you can use drawable DI to insert, like for example here, sa Google. You can like copy from file manager, mag-download kag unsay ganahan nimo nga, you can download, then i-copy paste ra nimo. No, we will not use that kay super OA. We have here dark na akong light. So for example, kanimo gamiton. Copy, then paste sa drawable. So you can here drawable. Drawable dark. Since imong name is Dark Mandarin. So you can. Yes, pero I will set that ano ha. Or kung ibalik sa pink since it's cute man. And then edit text kay ano ra username, then we have also the password and the button. And then ang iyang text view kay kaning here, the login button. You can also customize the color here. Then, here, you can also, and yes, maka-add gihapon mo background, depende ninyo. Oh my, and then sa Facebook, which is at first is niingon ko nga mag-add tag social login like Google and Facebook. So I used Facebook and Google. And yes, ako ara po na siyang gi-download. The icon. Oh my, the icon. So, diri ko gatawag ni Facebook. Here, drawable backlash Facebook icon here. And then you can also direct edit right here. You can adjust, but I think it's okay na. So, and then here is Google. And then kaning linear layout, mo ni siya closes all child views and layout. So, sila pares ni. So this XML defines a centered login screen with pink background, which is you can customize or di ba matawag or di ba mag-download or mag-picture. And a white rounded card with shadow. And we have here title, username, password, and login button. So for the main activity Java, so during a file, ani nahitabo ang backend. So kani siya may front end and then here is the backend. The main activity for the login screen activity. So line 9, it is the enter screen. Then it extend app compat activity. It allows using Android activity lifecycle method like onCreate. So the line 10 to 12, it is the UI component declared. So the line 10, it is for user input. For example, mo input of user, then of course the password. Then the button login. When you this is for triggering login action. Then the line 12, it acts like a clickable link for sign up. So the line 14, the onCreate method, onCreate is a method. So this is called when the activity start. Like for example, inig-open nimo og camera, mo na siya onCreate. Then the line 16, it loads the XML layout, which is the UI, kaning activity main, and display the screen. I-display ang front end. And then connecting to UI code, connecting to UI to code, this is the line 18 to 21. So find view by ID, it links to Java variable to XML components with their ID. So kaning mga username, mga ID ni siya nga gagamit sa activity main, silbing gitawag ni siya. Yes, gitawag ani. Para mugana to siya nga button. Same with password, login button and sign up. Then the login button function is the line 23. So when the login button is clicked, it reads user input, which is the get text to string. So hard-coded siya, simply hard-coded nga kuan. So if the username equals to admin and ma-check iyang password, which is 123, then login successful. Pero if incorrect, so invalid credentials. And then sige ha, if admin and password is correct, then login successful. Else invalid credentials, which is dili siya mo proceed sa login. I mean, di siya mo proceed sa next screen. And then the sign up text here, when the sign up text is clicked, it shows redirecting to sign up page, which is later you can start a new activity. Pero kaninga code is sa login na siya taman, wala siya next activity. So ang iyang features is login screen, sign up navigation, and user feedback. Uses those message to show result to the user. So the function here that being used is the onCreate, find view ID, set on click listener, get text that to string, those makes text and show. So in short, this code builds a basic login activity with a user, password check, and a sign up option. So it is useful as the foundation of any authentication system.